Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to solve the product rule. This is the system of differentiation by product rule. Whenever you have a question like this in the form of multiplication, because the word product means multiplication. If you have 2x plus 1 multiplied by x squared plus 2, that is, we can let 2x plus 1 to be u, also here will be b. Then since product rule is in the form of y is equals to u multiplied by b, therefore we can solve this one by product rule. Let's say let u equals to 2x plus 1 and let b to be equals to x squared plus 2. If you differentiate this with respect to x, let's differentiate u. We have du all over dx is equals to, if you differentiate 2x plus 1 here, you will have only 2. Let's differentiate b. db all over dx. If you differentiate b, you will have, this is equals to 2x. Therefore, we can use the formula of product rule, which says dy all over dx is equals to u db all over dx plus u plus b du all over dx. And let's say this is equals to, the u here is equals to, where is our u? Our u here is x squared plus 2. Here we have x squared plus 2 multiplied by db. db here is equals to 2x. That is, here we have 2x, then plus b. b here is equals to, that is, here we says the u here is equals to 2x plus 1 for the u, and db here is equals to 2x. And now we take b. b here is x squared. This is x squared plus 2. That is multiplied by du. du here is equals to 2. Let's open the brackets. If you have 2x multiplied by 2x, here we have 4x plus 2x multiplied by 1. Here we have 2x plus 2 times 2x squared. 2 times x squared, here we have 2x squared plus 2 times 2, here we have 4. Let's continue here. Now we can collect the lactane. Since here we have 4x squared, here we have 2x, then we can add 4x squared plus 2x squared. Here we have 6x squared. Then we have 2x plus 2x plus 4. That's the answer for this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.